Welcome to CarCraft, your go-to destination for the latest news, reviews, and updates on all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid. Whether you're considering a family vehicle or just interested in the newest hybrid technology, this minivan has a lot to offer. So let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Sienna Hybrid stand out. Exterior design. Visually, the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid sports a more modern and aggressive design than previous models. The front fascia features a bold grille and sharp LED headlights, while the rear has a sleek, aerodynamic profile. Toyota has worked to make the Sienna not only functional but also stylish, and the overall design is a clear reflection of the brand's commitment to a more contemporary and appealing look. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2025 Sienna Hybrid remains a top contender in the minivan segment, offering a spacious and versatile cabin that's designed with family comfort in mind. The cabin can comfortably seat up to 8 passengers, and the seats are made from high-quality materials to ensure a premium feel. What's more, the Sienna's flexible seating options, including removable second-row seats, allow for an exceptional amount of cargo space when needed. The interior is equipped with the latest tech, such as a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility, ensuring everyone stays connected during the drive. Engine and performance. The 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid continues the legacy of its predecessor with a focus on efficiency and eco-friendly performance. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors, this minivan delivers an impressive combined 243 horsepower. The hybrid powertrain not only ensures ample power for everyday driving but also provides a significant boost in fuel efficiency compared to traditional gasoline engines. Expect up to 36 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its class. Whether you're commuting or embarking on a road trip, the Sienna Hybrid offers a smooth, quiet ride that's perfect for families. Safety and technology features. Toyota has prioritized safety in the 2025 Sienna Hybrid by equipping it with a suite of advanced safety features as standard. The Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 package includes features like pre-collision warning, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. Additionally, the Sienna Hybrid boasts excellent crash test ratings, giving you peace of mind when traveling with your loved ones. The minivan also offers a range of driver assistance features, making long drives and city commuting a breeze. Pricing and availability. As for pricing, the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid offers a range of trims to suit various budgets and preferences. Starting at around $35,000 for the base model, it offers excellent value for money, especially when considering its hybrid efficiency and feature-packed interior. Higher trims, such as the XSE and Platinum, offer additional luxury features like premium audio systems and advanced tech options, with prices reaching up to $50,000. The 2025 Sienna Hybrid is expected to be available at Toyota dealerships nationwide by mid-2024, so keep an eye out for it. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid is a perfect blend of efficiency, technology, and comfort. With its impressive hybrid powertrain, spacious interior, top-tier safety features, and modern design, it's clear that Toyota has created a minivan that caters to the needs of today's families. Whether you're looking for a reliable vehicle for your daily commute or a spacious ride for weekend adventures, the Sienna Hybrid is ready to meet the challenge. Thank you for watching this review from CarCraft. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive updates.